How to invest with little to no money. Greetings, aspiring real estate moguls. I'm your real estate sensei, ready to unveil the secrets of investing with minimal funds. No more fretting over a tight budget. Today, we conquer that fear of starting with little to no money in the real estate arena. Step 1. Facing the fear. The dreaded fear of being cash-strapped. First and foremost, acknowledge it. Remember, every real estate guru started somewhere, and this is your starting point. Embrace the fear, and let's turn it into your driving force. Step 2. Mastering the basics. Knowledge becomes your capital. Dive into creative financing, no money down techniques, and seller financing. Think of it as a mental treasure hunt where every nugget of information adds to your investment chest. Step 3. Expanding your network. In the realm of real estate, your network holds the keys. Reach out to mentors, potential partners, and seasoned professionals. A valuable connection could lead to partnerships and investments you never imagined. Step 4. Harnessing sweat equity. Time to roll up those sleeves. Offer your skills in exchange for equity in deals. Can you handle repairs, management, or marketing? Your sweat equity becomes your ticket to the investment ball. Step 5. Exploring creative financing. Unlock new doors with creative financing. Think lease options, partnerships, and subject to deals. It's like piecing together a financial puzzle, one unconventional move at a time. Step 6. Financing with little to no money. Don't let lack of funds hold you back. Explore techniques like hard money loans, private lending, and joint ventures. Get creative and remember, where there's a will, there's a way. And there you have it, eager investors. The art of investing with limited resources. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Convert that fear into your ally and watch it fuel your journey toward real estate triumph. If you found this enlightening, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simplified real estate wisdom. Until next time, let's reshape those investment fears into our stepping stones to success.